If your garbage disposer is leaking water, here are the top 5 most probable causes. A leak originating near the top of the disposer is often caused by a torn sink flange gasket. This flat gasket, which sits at the top of the mounting flange, can be replaced with a new one, but make sure the mounting flange is properly tightened when reinstalling the unit. If your disposer does not have a sink flange gasket, you can use plumber's putty to help seal the flange to the sink. Disposers have a lower gasket as well, located at the bottom of the mounting flange, which could be damaged and allow water to leak near the top of the unit. A damaged lower flange gasket can be replaced with a new one to solve the problem. Some disposers will have a splash guard attached to the top of the unit that serves the same purpose as a lower flange gasket. As with the gaskets, a worn splash guard can be replaced to help fix a leak. Most disposers will have an O-ring that helps seal the upper portion of the housing to the lower portion. If the O-ring is broken, it will need to be replaced. A water leak coming from the disposer housing strongly indicates the motor seal has failed. A failed motor seal means the disposer itself will need to be replaced with a new one. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific part that will fit or fix your garbage disposer.